On Arizona Midday, making contact with a loved one who's passed. We're sitting down with international spiritual medium Sunny Wells next. Our next guest has the gift of reaching those who have passed. Please welcome Sunny Wells, international spiritual medium.
Hi.
Now, Sunny, we're going to get right into this. We have Jill on the phone. Jill, are you there?
Hey.
Say hi to Sunny.
Hi, Sunny.
Hi, Jill.
Okay.
How are you, dear?
Well, you want to communicate with your Grandma Sue.
Yes.
So before the show, we gave you Grandma Sue. We gave Sunny Grandma Sue's name and the date of her passing. For Sunny, for you to clear this. Now,
I consider myself a Christian spiritual medium that really stresses the fact that I need to clear the spirit through God. And in my case, I clear the spirit through God in Christ. Clear communication. So it comes through in writing, which is kind of a scribbly writing.
Well, I was going to say, you obviously have gotten the clearance because I want to show you the notepad later. It's pretty amazing.
Now, in any case, I've reached your grandmother.
Oh, good.
And she tells me she's happy to speak with you. And she said that you just recently, or someone in your family, had a birthday within the last month.
Yes, actually.
Okay, and was there a celebration there?
Oh, yeah.
Parties, it was a balloons, lots of balloons were around, they were all colors.
Yes, it was my niece's birthday
And
party.
she was there with you. And she said that it reminded her of when you were a little girl.
Oh.
That they had to have a party with you. Also, did you receive a ring from your mother? She says, Mama gave you a ring of mine.
Yes.
And that you have kept that very safe, and that you plan to give it to your children as an inheritance. Is that where you're going with that? You're going to keep that in the family?